Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. My name's Jaden Pedersen and welcome back to my channel. Fuck, I look like a dirty Sanchez. Alright guys, so today we're actually going to be picking up some parts for the Focus, and you guys have guessed it. I'm heading up to the Sunshine Coast to go up to OEM Denied, and we're actually racing against the clock. Oh no, we're sweet. Closes at 1 o'clock today. It's a sad day, and I want to get up there nice and early so it doesn't have to wait back. But anyway, so let's get a fucking cold start for the... Some of you guys have noticed as well that I picked up some wheels and they're already co-brushed because, you know, the other owner was a female. Shout out to you. But yeah, I picked them up a pretty cheap. So yeah, in the next few videos I'm gonna, when I have the time, I'm gonna be repairing all these and making them nice and beautiful. Let me know what colour I should go with the wheels. I'm thinking about going a bronze colour. Just let me know, because I'm always open to suggestion. Yeah, who knows? I might go fucking pink colour. But yeah, that's Dad's new car. I might review it in the next few days. It's fully stocked though. It's a nice, comfortable car to drive in. Fuck, I love it, brother. Wait until I get my Audi. We'll be fucking mobbing together. Yuck, that sounds so good. Ready? Here we go. See how it does that? It just, I'm fairly sure it's the boost solenoid fucking out again. Alright guys, so we're currently 10 minutes away, but fucking there's a shit ton of traffic as you can see. Fucking what do you expect? It was raining a little bit and some fuckers run off the road, I think. Proceed with caution. Yeah, congestion all the way up to Sunshine Coast. Fuck. So that's the clutch there. She's a nice fucking extreme race clutch, and yeah, she's rated to 600 Newton meters. And then this is the boost solenoid right here. So it's a 3-port Mach 5. She's a nice unit, this one. Yeah, this one's only like 150 bucks. I'm going to be installing this one in today's video, and yeah, you'll be able to, and I'll be installing the clutch in the next few days, but yeah, it's going to be in a different video, unfortunately guys, because, you know, I don't have the time to do it at the moment, but I really do want to. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I've made my way down to Super Cheap just to buy some vacuum lines. And yeah, so because the vacuum lines I've got on it won't reach up to the location that I'm gonna have it, because yeah, let's get in it. So I've got this bad boy here from Bendix and also some silicone hose, because, you know, because I've got an annoying like rubbing sound, because I believe it's from the top hat or my lower ball joint. When I installed my LCAs, I don't think I lubed them up, so they're making a little bit of a noise. So I'm just taking off the wheel to access everything under there. There's going to be my boost solenoid. Also, I want to check out this annoying squeak that I was talking about. Hopefully it's just the ball joint that I didn't lube up, and she's making a little bit of a sound, so I can just spray it. But no, my luck, it's going to be something catastrophic. After spraying the lower ball joint, it doesn't seem to squeak. Maybe that might be the issue. I haven't sprayed the top mount of the strut just yet, but if need be I will just rip the wheel off again and then get right up in there. Right in there is my old boost solenoid that I need to rip out, and yeah, she's going to be a nice one. I grabbed 3 meters of this 6mm vacuum line because I need to run 3 long hoses up to the engine bay, because my mate Anthony has told me that he's destroyed a number of the boost solenoids in the same location that I have mine in. So I'm just going to listen to the wizard, because, you know, he knows the best. But also on the other hand, Jamie has told me that he's put boost solenoids in the same location as mine and hasn't had an issue. So at the moment I'm just going to listen to Anthony, because it doesn't hurt to run it up to the engine bay, make it look sleek. But yeah, let's get it. Let's get it! Look at that mess, hey? Would you look at? So as you can see, this is the old one, of course, and that's the new one. The reason why I'm having it in the engine bay instead of having it by the turbo is because over time it can destroy it by all the oils, debris and road shit that gets on it. So yeah, that's why I'm moving it up in the engine bay. So stupid me, bloody ripped the hose off because I couldn't be fucked reaching my hand up on the hot turbo and grabbing it. So I need to now reach my hand up and grab it when it's hot. Fuck my life. After burning my arm, I finally got this part out. Lucky I've only got just over a meter and I still have to do my wastegate route. So this is where I was going to mount it, but looking down there, I don't think the bonnet's going to close because it's sitting up past here. So I'll have to mount it like under here somehow. So I put it right there and I close the bonnet and it doesn't hit on anything, so I'm going to keep it there. It's out of the way of everything, so I'm going to keep it right there. I need to put a zip tie on the wastegate actuator and also on the actual turbo itself, because you know, and it's in a bitch of a place to put it into, so wish me luck. Do you know how they say you learn from your mistakes? Oh damn. So I feel so stupid. All this time it wasn't the boost solenoid, it was me being a fuckwit, and I didn't check, double check, triple check how the hoses went. So I'll chuck the photo right now, and that's straight from OEM denied, so yeah, they put it on there so people don't fuck up. The funny thing is that, like, I swear I followed the instructions, but I didn't. So I remember because I pulled this one off and it ripped and it was on the top of the turbo. And so anyway, so I put the wrong hoses, so 3 and 1 are meant to be flipped. The only one I managed to put on the right one was the wastegate. So that's why you double check and triple check, yeah, you put shit on. And here I am arguing with people saying, oh no, it's not, it's my wastegate solenoid. Oh, I feel so stupid. But all you can do is just laugh, because it actually might make some proper boost this time, not fucking 20 psi and fucking drop straight down to like 1 psi. Oh, I'm keen to drive it now. Hey, that's why you're watching this video, so you don't fuck up like me. I'm gonna check the codes with this OBD2 scanner. I'm going to be checking the codes first, because usually I would get a underboost and overboost, and that'll be due to me not connecting the hoses to the right areas. Fucking hell. Alright, let's check. OBD2. Ooh, okay. So I've cleared them codes, and now we're just going to go for a little test. So one of them codes was throttle position sensor or something like that. The anti-theft, overboost and underboost, and also clutch position sensor as well. But I've cleared them all, and then this will tell me what's fucked and what's not. It's pulling like it's meant to. I'm so fucking happy. Oh yes. Josh's Golf will get chopped. I used to always get embarrassed that fucking my mate Josh in his fully stock Golf would chop me. And oh mate, no offense Josh, but mate, you're gonna get the fucking chopperino. Fucking the choppage. Fucking hell. It's one of those moments that you just have to laugh about, right? So I'm pulled on the side of the main road and with my hazards on, because your boy here is a fuckhead and he forgot to tighten down my wheel nuts. Luckily none of them fell off. I just felt the steering wheel and stuff like that just vibrate like mad, so fucking awesome shit there, brother. I had the wheel nut key thing, because it's like, it's not a proper nut, it's like an Allen key. I had that in the wheel nut itself, and I forgot to tighten the wheels up, obviously. And I was like, I rang him down. I was like, oh Dad, is the wheel nut key down there? And I was like, and he's like, no, I'll go have a look at it. And it was literally laying in the middle of the street. I was like, fuck my life. So yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. We're back on track. I am so happy. So fucking happy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm just down here at bloody the water and I'm gonna be taking some photos of this shit. No more DTCs. Fuck yes. While I'm here, I'll empty out my air tank to see if there's any bloody water. Not much in there this time, but yeah, this is only like 2 weeks worth of condensation. Brand new tank, mate. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to leave today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe, because in the upcoming videos I'm going to be reviewing the S3 maybe and also putting in the clutch, so it's going to be fun times to do the clutch, that's for sure. Make sure you click the first link in the description, because that will take you straight to the website for the Hump Day merch. So you know, if you guys want to pick up some banners, some stickers, some merchandise, some bloody garments, you know, it's all the one-stop shop, so you know, click it and then don't regret it. But yeah, stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, you.